Halika! Halika! Halika dito! Halika! Yan, si Baliko! Baliko ng buntot! Halika, Goods! Goods! Halika dito! Goods! Halika! Goods! Halika, Goods! Goods! Halika, Goods!
Most of the forays of the Knights. Meantime, David directing traffic. Chunk is out on the floor. Good people going in the pit. Baksak doon si Jason David. Let's see. It's going
Goods!
to be foul, regular foul.
Halika! Goods!
Wala.
Halika dito!
Rumble down his own.
Dali!
We'll check the replay. He's holding on to it.
Goods! Ano? Ah, halika! Ito! Halika! Goods! Halika! Dito! Uy! Ano? Goods!
Will be replaced right now.
Halika dito! Dali! Halika!
Hindi makatayos. Makatayos si David.
Halika!
Hindi siya makatayo ang isang reporter.
Ito makita natin.
Pa?
Si Jason David.
Si John Puy ang tatakbo. Tumiklop on its own eh.
On his own. And the crowd seeing it from the big jumbotron here. Sa Araneta Coliseum. There was a
Goods!
reaction from the crowd.
Ikaw balik ko! Balik ko!
Yes, sir.
Ano?
And of course the attraction of Paul
Halika!
in the first game.
Ikaw balik ko!
By Raynor Shine plus and now earlier they
Tumatakip ka pa sa TV eh!
picture was not held.
Paano natin makita yung basketball?
Pinito from the downtown
Eh?
area.
Paano?
Kasi tuhod eh, nakatiklop eh.
Balik ka!
So we said,
There was no contact on the part of Chuck Wade.
Paano natin makita yung TV?
hoping of course and
Ano? Tingin-tingin ka pa ah?
that much.
Goods! Goods! Halika, Goods!
Photo and some player
Goods!
injury. Ito,
Halika!
clipping. As you see Ramco, the other
Ayaw,
players
guys.
as well.
Habang nanonood ako ng
Their
basket,
sides and
ayaw.
goals. You know, so
Nag-snap
he's been
yung
there.
alaga ko.
You know, he did very well.
Bye-bye.
The last conference